Is your iPhone telling you that storage is full? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 4 simple steps to free up space in just a few minutes. Step 1. Check what is taking up space. Do you know where all your iPhone storage is going? Open Settings, scroll down to General, tap iPhone Storage. Step 2. Delete duplicate photos. Duplicate photos are silently stealing your storage. Go to Photos, then Albums, then Duplicates, and tap Merge. Step 3. Offload unused apps. Apps you never use? Remove them without losing your data. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, then tap Offload App. Step 4. Enable iCloud Photos. iCloud optimizes your photos and instantly frees up physical storage. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, Photos, and enable Optimize iPhone Storage. Did you free up space? Give this video a like and subscribe to TATO'S for more tutorials.